Hello everyone, I'm Max Savage and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're back to my 1978 Yamaha DT400. I recently just did a 12 volt lighting conversion kit on this. I used Rex Speed Shop conversion kit, works great, plug and play, no problems whatsoever. All the lights work, my gauges work, I have all LEDs in here. Works great. I'm having a slight issue with my turn signals right now, but I'm getting that resolved. I have a little wiring kit that's going to fix that. This bike the motor's 100% stock. The only thing I've done is put a V-Force reed cage in there, and that's it. So let's get it started. And you can hear how it sounds. The thing runs great. Well, that's it to start. Thank you for watching my channel. The next video I have on here will be of the bike on the street running with me riding it. So again, thank you for coming to my channel. Please subscribe and come back often, see, because I do have other projects going on. Thank you.